Gold yesterday has lost its value, and a strong bearish candle has been formed yesterday. We can see that after the price formed a small bearish breakout below this area of confluence of support. We can see that on the lower time frame. We can see what has happened yesterday after the price has formed this small indecision candle right here at the support level. A strong bearish candle has been formed on the chart. This is probably some kind of a news has been formed, and it was expected that the price will drop in value, and I have said that I am more inclined to see the price dropping down. And we can see this small bearish breakout here on the 1 hour time frame was a small first step as a signal that the price will try to move further down. And then after that we can see the price has stopped here at the support level, and after that a strong bearish candles has been formed, and several these support levels has been broken, even though, and also the daily support has been broken, and the price finally reached the second daily support level. This has been also covered inside the premium analysis for all traders who would like to receive the daily updates. Now what we can see here is that the price has reached the support level 2586.24, and the price is bouncing back up. Now the price is currently at the very important resistance level, the previous support 2618.75. So what we can expect? First of all, we need to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will it manage to make a bullish breakout, which will be visible on the lower time frame? And we can see that on a 4-hour time frame, it is the first resistance level where the price currently is, and on a 1-hour time frame, it is also the first resistance level where the price could go after the price makes a bullish breakout, will be 2628.13. Will that be possible for the price, or will the price return back down, making a bearish breakout below this area of support, a demand zone? This is something that I will watch closely. So when the breakout happens here or downwards, the breakout will be shared inside the premium analysis. The link will be below, so you can also feel free to join if you would like to check that. Now for now I'm still waiting. We can see that the price has formed a strong bearish breakout below that, and today we'll see how the price will it confirm this bearish breakout as a valid one, or it will be invalidated, which means the daily candle will close above this area of resistance, which will indicate further rise in value, where 2653.45 will be the next resistance level and also the target. So let's see what happens on the lower time frame, and that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.